Today, I'll show you how to transfer your game files from Steam to Epic Games. This is a handy process if you want to save some time and bandwidth by not having to download the game again from the Epic Games launcher. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to open the File Explorer on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon usually found on your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and the E key on your keyboard simultaneously. This will give us access to all the files and folders stored on your system. Once you've got File Explorer open, the next step is to locate your local disk. This is typically your C drive, where most of your operating system files and installed applications are stored. Click on it to access its contents. Now, navigate to the Program Files, x86 folder. This is the directory where the majority of your 32-bit applications are installed, including Steam if you've used the default installation settings. Inside the Program Files x86 folder, scroll down until you find the Steam folder. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new set of folders and files that make up your Steam installation. Next, find and click on the Steam Apps folder. This is where your game files are stored, and it's where we'll begin the process of moving your game to Epic Games. Inside Steam Apps, you'll see a folder named Common. This is the location where all of your downloaded Steam games reside. Click on the Common folder to access your list of games. Look through the list and select the game you want to transfer to Epic Games. Right-click on the game folder and a context menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Cut. This action effectively copies the folder while simultaneously preparing to remove it from its current location. After cutting the game folder, we need to navigate back to the main directory where we began and locate the Epic Games folder. This might also be in your Program Files or Program Files x86, depending on where you installed it. Open this folder to proceed to the next step. Once inside the Epic Games directory, you can now paste the game folder. Simply right-click in an empty space within the Epic Games folder and select Paste from the context menu. This will transfer your game files from Steam to Epic Games. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your game files from Steam to Epic Games. Just remember, after doing this, you may need to verify the game files through the Epic Games launcher to ensure everything is in order and the game will run smoothly. This process saves you from having to re-download the entire game, making it a quick and efficient way to transfer your games between platforms. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!